Hello, this is Robert from DSP Plug. So at Dollarama, I was able to pick up this $4.50 artificial plant. And in my opinion, I've seen, more expensive, and I think it looks quite good. It's got a little bit of a shine to it. There is a craft spray that you can spray on these so as to get rid of that shine. But what I was not impressed with was the plastic pot and the twine hanger. So what I did is, in the case of all three of these plants, is I used a Dollarama macrame hanger. The only thing is about these hangers is the knot at the bottom. It hangs quite low. I cut it myself. Now what I did is I used a lighter quickly over the bottom so that it does not fray. In the earlier I had done the same, and I had not done a great job of it, so I got two replacement macrame hangers to do the same thing. Now you might need to change the knot at the bottom so it fits just right. And for a smaller pot, you might want to add some knots so that it holds to that. You cut it and then you burn it with the lighter very quickly so that it doesn't fray again. Now in the case of this plant, you might notice that the same plant above is in ceramic. Now how I did that is I put a dinner knife down the side and I grabbed that all the way around. Next, I used a sharp kitchen knife to shave the foam inside to make that circular so that it would fit inside of this smaller ceramic pot that I was able to pick up for $1.75 from Dollarama. Next, I used some pliers to break off the excess stone, and I know that's not a perfect process. I saved the excess stone, broke it apart, make sure I cleaned up any excess foam on them. Next, I would suggest you do this. I would suggest that you get a hot mini glue gun from Dollarama, and once you fit it in the new ceramic container, the new ceramic plant pot, what you do is you get that excess stone and you glue the plant into the new pot. You take the excess stone and you use the mini glue gun, the hot mini glue gun. And you get all those stones set into it so it looks perfect. And then of course, you fix up the macrame hanger so that it looks just right. Now on either side of this Dollarama plant that looks equally impressive are these plants that I got from Walmart. They were $16.99. Well worth it. I think I'll use some adhesive remover and get this off the side, or I could always get more of these plant pots so that they all match. That's certainly a possibility. Now if you might be curious, I got these two blackout curtains behind it for $14.99 each at Giant Tiger. Now the curtain rod above it, which is quite impressive, I was able to pick that up at Hart Superstores, I believe for $19.99. Now it's a brushed nickel with the brushed nickel caps. It looks like it was painted basswood. It looks very, very impressive when it's all said and done. This is Robert from DSP Plug, and I'm talking about inexpensive window treatments. Thank you. Goodbye.